This is Weng AJ Tacos. And for today is magluluto tayo ng cauliflower fried rice. And here are the ingredients. So I have here cauliflower, and we have garlic, we have the onion, carrots, and we have the green bean as well, and the corn, and olive oil. I'm using olive oil or any oil that you have in your kitchen. And we have pepper and salt, and of course the soy sauce. And this recipe, guys, you can put also egg if you want to your fried rice. But for me, is I don't have egg right now. Okay, so all the ingredients stated in here, I will put into the description box. See you! Hi guys! So ito yung gagamitin natin para i-blend yung cauliflower para magiging rice. Okay? Ganito lang siya, guys. Mabilis lang gamitin. And do the rest. Same process. Okay, so start na tayo. Painitin lang saglit yung pan. The oil. Ang pagluto ng cauliflower fried rice is like gaya din ng rice, guys. Okay? Puro gisa lang siya. Gisa ko muna yung bawang at yung laso na. Bawang at yung onion. I-brown lang natin yung onion at saka yung garlic. Next, guys. Sama-samahin lang. Pwede nyo lagyan ng egg. Sinabi ko na kanina. Pag ganitong fried rice guys, pwede rin nyo haluan ng isang itlog. Lutuin lang siya ng 5 minutes, then that's all. Ito na yung ano natin. Tansyahin nyo lang guys ha. Mag-isa lang kasi ako kakain, so 300 grams lang yung cauliflower ko. Sometimes yung iba guys, nilalagyan nila ng chili sauce. But for me, I'm not mixing any chilies now. Okay? So, I think that's all, guys. Tikman nyo na lang. Kayo na lang yung mag-adjust kung kailangan nyo pa ng more salt or more pepper. Kayo nang bahala, guys. Bless it, guys. So, ako nakapag-church today kasi kailangan kong bantayan ang mga aso ko guys. Wala kasing mamo ko nasa overseas. So, yun. So, bon appetit! Try ninyo guys. It's very good ito sa mga bata. At yung mga nagda-diet din dyan, try nyo, masarap. Thank you so much for watching. And please, kung ikaw ay bago pa lamang sa channel ko, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe na rin. And click the bell button para updated ka sa mga next videos ko. So, thank you so much for watching guys. I love you all.